Number 3 is using the front camera. We have the OSMO on, we have the iPad, and we have it on macho cheapo stand. But we cannot see our drawing surface. Where is our drawing surface? If I turn this up, start drawing, nothing. I can see my picture, but I cannot see what I'm drawing. So what you must do is go to the top left-hand corner with the camera. The camera is the big giveaway. Hit the camera. Make sure you have the OSMO on top. Now, the reason for the OSMO is to use the front camera of the device. So what do? We press the front camera. When we hit the front camera, magically, we can now see our drawing surface. So with the aid of the OSMO Mirror stand and the front camera, we now have our front drawing surface. And now, if we want to see our picture as well, at the moment we can just see my pen. If I press this little toggle here, I get a ghosting image of picture that we've selected draw. So I can now see picture and I can see my drawing surface. Now this is just for benefit of basically setting up your front camera to see this image. You would not draw, in this example, the tree in this mode. So if you have this menu dialog box up and you see your picture, do not start drawing. This is for setting up your parallax. That is issue number 3. How do I get to see my drawing surface with my OSMO Mirror on my iPad, on my stand? How do I see what I'm drawing? Select the menu at the top left-hand side, select the front camera, and if you can't see your selected picture that you're going to draw, in other words, you can just see your surface, press this little slider here, which will bring in that picture. That's issue number 3 solved.